Howdy, partner. It's time to say goodbye to your expensive pest control guy, and hello to Pestie. Pestie is a modern, do-it-yourself pest control solution that delivers customized treatments based on your location and pest issues. The products are delivered right to your door and can be applied in just a few minutes. Let's get started. The first step is going to be to fill the bag with water. You want to fill to this line right here. Once it is totally filled, then we will add the concentrated formula. Be careful not to drip any of this. Pour it straight in. And then for liquid concentrate, you can refill that little bottle and pour it in so you don't waste any. Next, you're going to take the included rechargeable sprayer, put the tube into the bag, screw it on, and just that easy, we are ready to go. Applying Pestie is super easy. Anyone can do it, and it only takes about 10 minutes. Pestie comes with everything you need to apply, even a cool, reusable electronic sprayer. I like to start at the front door and work my way around the house to the right. That way, you never forget where you started and you won't miss a spot. Here in northern Florida, we have a lot of bugs. As a proud do-it-yourselfer, I find myself constantly trying to learn how best to keep them under control. In particular, we battle mosquitoes, big mosquitoes, ticks, we have cockroaches, we have spiders, all of which Pestie promises to eliminate. When you apply Pestie, you want to spray in about a 4-foot band, working 2 feet up the wall and 2 feet down onto your grass. So you want to make sure that you cover the entire area around your home evenly and completely. You'll have plenty of product to get done. As I was explaining earlier, when you buy Pestie products, it's optimized to your exact location's bugs and climate. You'll always get the most effective products delivered right at the perfect time. Plus, the specific chemicals are rotated so that the bugs do not build up tolerances, which makes it more effective over time. Super important to me, all of Pestie's products are kid and pet friendly. Plus, Pestie provides instructions on how to properly apply so you can minimize risk to pollinators like honeybees. Because I want bugs to thrive in their ecosystem, just not in our home. Well, it's as simple as that. The Pestie products that we just applied are the same pro-grade products that the pros use. It's time to stop worrying about bugs and stop paying that expensive pest guy. Pestie is 1/4 the cost of normal pest control companies. You can cancel anytime, there's never any contracts. Best of all, Pestie has a 100% money-back satisfaction guarantee. So they'll do whatever it takes to get rid of your bugs and make you happy. Pest control is one of those things that you can absolutely tackle on your own. In fact, using this cool electronic sprayer was actually kind of fun. I hope that this video has given you the confidence to give it a shot and save some money. Your family and yourself will be glad that you did. And remember, just like all the other home projects on this channel, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.